Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a classic rock song from the 70s called Stuck in the Middle with You. It was written by Jerry Rafferty and Joe Egan for their band Stealers Wheel. It peaked at number 6 on the Billboard Hot 100 in the summer of 1973. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords, the chord progression, and a little bit of strumming. Okay, to get through this song, you need to know 5 chords. Let's have a look at them now. First one is a D chord. This particular song calls for a very rare chord called a G7. You need to know an A major. You need to know a C chord. And lastly, you need to know a G chord. That's it. Those 5 chords are going to get you all the way through this entire song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at a little bit of the chord progression and some strumming. Okay, so the strumming is very, very easy to do. There is a part in the song when the chords come at you fairly quickly as far as the chord changes are concerned. You'll have to review this part of the song several times to get her down, but I know once you do and master it, you'll have no troubles at all. The song basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. You can see I do a little bit of a slap strum. To the G7. Back to the D. To the A chord. To the C chord, to the G chord, and back to the D. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. Got this feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. That's it. That's it. There's a little bit of a bridge / chorus that changes it up a little bit, but it really just kind of goes between the D and the G chords. Very, very easy. I know once you follow along in the song, you'll get her down. And that's it. That's as easy as this song is. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Review this video a few times, practice it, and be ready to join me. Scared in case I fall off my chair. Wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me and jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smile from my face. Losing control, yeah, I'm all over the place. Clowns to the left of me and jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing, proud to say you're a self-made man. And your friends, they all come crawling, slap you on the back and say, please. Well, I'm trying to make some sense of it all, but I can see it makes no sense at all. Is it cool to go to sleep on the floor? 'Cause I don't think I can take it anymore. I'll come crawling, slap you on the back and say, please, please. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. Got this feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. And I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me and jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. 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 Stuck in the middle with you.
And there you have it, Stuck in the Middle with You, written by Jerry Rafferty and Joe Egan for their band Steelers Wheel. It's a great, great classic song. Thank you for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.